Imagine waking up one day and realizing every company, every factory, every stock market trade, every business decision is being made by AI. Machines run production, algorithms run finance, robots handle logistics. And humans, we're just spectators. It sounds like a futuristic fantasy, but it's closer than you think. Artificial intelligence isn't just changing the economy, it's replacing the need for humans inside it. So here's the real question. When AI runs everything, what's left for us to do? For centuries, human labor has been the backbone of economic growth, from the first farmer planting seeds to the modern-day coder building apps. The economy has always been powered by people, but something unprecedented is happening. AI is learning faster, working cheaper, and scaling infinitely. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't demand raises, and it doesn't strike for better conditions. From Wall Street to warehouses, from law firms to logistics, AI is quietly taking over the levers of the global economy. And soon, we may reach a point where machines handle everything, from production and trade to innovation and even governance. So, what will humans do when AI runs the economy? Will we enter a golden age of creativity and abundance? Or will billions be left behind in a world where human value no longer matters? Let's find out. 1. The AI takeover has already begun. The shift isn't coming. It's already here. AI systems now handle tasks that once required entire departments of people. In finance, algorithms make over 70% of global stock trades. They analyze market data in milliseconds, outpacing even the best human traders. In logistics, companies like Amazon and UPS use AI to manage delivery routes, predict demand, and even control warehouse robots with near-perfect efficiency. In manufacturing, autonomous factories run almost entirely by AI already exist in China and Japan. They can produce 24/7, detect defects instantly, and self-correct in real time. In the corporate world, AI is being used for hiring, marketing, forecasting, and decision-making. Some companies have even appointed AI executives, algorithms that advise human CEOs based on predictive analytics. The message is clear: AI is not just another tool in the economy, it's becoming the operator of it. 2. The end of human labor? For most of history, economic value was tied to work. You contribute labor, and in return, you earn money. But AI breaks that equation. When machines can perform the same tasks faster, cheaper, and more accurately, human labor starts to lose its value. Take transportation. Millions of truck drivers, delivery riders, and taxi operators could be replaced by self-driving AI vehicles in the next decade. That's tens of millions of jobs gone. In customer service, generative AI chatbots already handle millions of support interactions daily. No salary, no burnout, no lunch breaks. Even creative industries aren't safe. Writers, designers, and video editors are now competing with AI systems, capable of generating professional quality content in seconds. So what happens when 40%, 60%, or even 80% of human jobs become automated? We might face the biggest economic shift since the Industrial Revolution. But this time, the machines don't need us to operate. 3. The rise of the machine economy. As AI systems become more autonomous, we're moving toward what economists call the machine economy. This is a world where AI doesn't just assist in production, it owns and operates entire value chains. Imagine AI running factories, managing finances, investing profits, and reinvesting those profits into other AI-run ventures. A closed loop of automation that no longer depends on human oversight. We're already seeing the first signs of this. AI-driven companies like OpenAI, DeepMind, and Anthropic are building models that can code, market, and optimize themselves. Autonomous trading bots are now capable of owning and operating crypto wallets, machines literally managing money for other machines. Decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs, are experimenting with AI governance, where smart contracts make financial decisions without any human vote. This isn't just automation, like it's self-sustaining automation. And once the loop closes, AI may become the largest economic actor on Earth, controlling wealth, resources, and production at scales humans can barely comprehend. 4. The human problem. What happens to us? So, if AI runs the economy, where does that leave people? For some, the answer seems utopian. With machines handling labor, humans could be free to pursue art, learning, and personal growth. No more 9-to-5 jobs. No more economic struggle. Just universal abundance powered by automation. But the transition won't be so smooth. Right now, wealth generated by AI doesn't flow to everyone. It flows to the owners of the technology. A few corporations and elites could control machines that run the entire global economy. That means if nothing changes, we risk entering an age of extreme inequality, where a small group controls infinite productivity and the rest struggle to survive in a world that no longer needs their labor. This could lead to widespread social unrest, political instability, and even the collapse of democratic systems built around the concept of jobs. Because if humans no longer have economic purpose, what anchors society? 5. The search for new human value. But there's hope if we act early. As AI takes over routine and physical tasks, the remaining value will shift toward what machines can't easily replicate: creativity, original thinking, imagination, and storytelling. Empathy, understanding emotion, forming relationships, providing care. Ethics and philosophy, deciding what AI should do, not just how it does it. Human connection, building trust, leadership, and culture. In short, the future economy might not reward hard work, but human uniqueness. Artists, educators, therapists, entrepreneurs, and thinkers may become the backbone of a post-AI economy as society learns to value emotion and meaning over efficiency and profit. Some futurists even predict a creative explosion, a time when humanity redefines its purpose beyond survival, using AI as a partner, not a master. 6. Universal basic income, the safety net of the future. One of the most discussed solutions is universal basic income, or UBI. If machines produce all wealth, then everyone should share in that wealth. Not through jobs, but through distribution. Under UBI, every citizen would receive a guaranteed income funded by taxes on AI-driven corporations and automation profits. This would ensure people can live decently even without traditional employment. Countries like Finland and pilot programs in the US have already tested UBI with promising results. Improved mental health, creativity, and community engagement. The idea is simple. If AI takes away your job, it should also give you back your freedom. Of course, critics argue that UBI discourages work or fuels inflation. But in an AI-run economy, the definition of work itself changes. Human purpose might not be measured in productivity, but in fulfillment. 7. The new relationship between humans and AI. So maybe the future isn't about humans versus AI, but about coexistence. In this world, AI could manage logistics, resources, and systems, while humans focus on creativity, community, and exploration. Picture this. AI handles the economy's technical details: production, supply chains, global trade, while humans dedicate themselves to science, philosophy, storytelling, and innovation. It's the first time in history we could build a civilization where survival isn't the primary goal, where progress is defined by meaning, not money. But for that to happen, we must ensure that AI's power is used for humanity, not against it. That means rethinking ownership, governance, and ethics before it's too late. If the economy is the engine of civilization, AI is about to take the driver's seat. And while that could lead to a world of abundance, it could also lead to one of dependency and inequality. The real question isn't whether AI will run the economy. It's whether humans will still have a role in shaping it. Because the future isn't just about automation, it's about imagination. When the machines handle survival, what will you do with your freedom? Will we use it to build art, meaning, and connection? Or will we surrender our creativity to the very systems we created? AI may run the economy, but only humans can decide what kind of world that economy should serve. And that choice is still ours.